This is the Pitco fryer high limit, sometimes referred to as a limit switch or safety switch. The high limit sensor is mounted inside the fryer tank, while the reset button is located inside the cabinet. A capillary tube connects the sensor to the switch. Its job is to prevent the oil from overheating by shutting off the heat when a set temperature is reached. High limits are replaced only as needed by a technician, but they can be reset by an end user when necessary. Always choose genuine OEM high limits to ensure the capillary length is correct for your unit and that it trips at the proper temperature to keep both equipment and staff safe.